Okay, very good evening children. Today we'll see how to solve the equations which are not linear. That is, I am talking about exercise 3.6. Okay, let us look at the first sum. It is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equals 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Now if you observe these two equations, they are not linear. Why? Because here the power of x is in denominator, also the power of y is in denominator. Since they are coming in denominator, they are no more linear equations. So, but if I see some things are common, 1 upon x is common, 1 upon y is common in both equations. To make it linear, I will say let my a be another variable. Okay, so see, and what I'll do, I'll convert this into linear. So to make it linear, I will say let a be 1 upon x, let b be 1 upon y. Okay, the moment I write a as 1 upon x, b as 1 upon y, my first equation becomes a by 2 plus b by 3. See, I am writing 1 upon y as b, 1 upon x as a. That is equal to 2. Now I cross multiply. I will get 3a plus 2b upon 6 equals 2. That is 3a plus 2b equals 12. This is my first equation now. Okay. Now do same with second equation. This will become a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Again I cross multiply. I will get 2a plus 3b upon 6 equals 13 by 6. 6 cancel. So I got 2a plus 3b equals 13. Equation number 2. Now it is your choice how to solve these two equations. That is 3a plus 2b equals 12, 2a plus 3b equals 13. I'll solve by elimination method. So for elimination method, what I am supposed to do? I am supposed to make one set of coefficients to be same. So I'll multiply this by 3 and this by 2. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 9a plus 6b equal 36. 4a plus 6b equals 26. Now the coefficients are same, so I need to subtract. That is, this will become minus, minus, minus. 6b cancel. 9a minus 4a, I'll get 5a. 36 minus 26, 10. So if you see, my a becomes 2. So I'll put value of a in any one of these two equations to get the value of b. So 2a plus 3b equals 13. Therefore 3b equals 4. Sorry, 13 minus 4, that is 9. So b I'll get 3. Okay? But I wanted to find x and y. So I'll resubstitute. So what is a? 1 upon x. So I'll write since a equal to 1 upon x and b equals 1 upon y. Therefore a कितना है? 2. 2 is equal to 1 upon x. 3 is equal to 1 upon y. That is, my x becomes half. X will go here. 2 will come here. And similarly y will become 1 by 3. Okay, next sum children. That is second sum from the exercise. Now see, what is repeating over here? To make it linear, my 1 upon root x. 1 upon root x repeat हो रहा है. So I'll say let 1 upon root x be a. Similarly, I'll say let 1 upon root y be b. ठीक है? Same way I'll substitute these values in both the equations. क्या मिलेगा? 2a. It is 2 times 1 upon root x. 1 upon root x कितना है? a. Similarly 3b equals 2. First equation. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4a minus 9b equals minus 1. Again I need to solve this. So what I'll do, I'll multiply the first equation by 3 so that they can cancel each other. So I'll get 6a plus 9b equals 6. क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे, तो ऐड करेंगे तो कट हो जाएगा, 4a plus 6a 10a, 6 minus 1 कितना आएगा 5. Therefore a कितना आएगा 5 by 10, that is half. ठीक है, since I got a, I can find b, that is 2a plus 3b equals 2 है. a कितना है हाफ है ना, प्लस 3b equals 2. तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 2 कट हो जाएगा, so 1 plus 3b equals 2. Therefore 3b कितना आएगा 1. So I got b as 1 by 3. Still the sum is not over because मुझे x and y फाइंड करना था. So I'll resubstitute. मेरा a कितना है 1 upon root x, b कितना है 1 upon root y, बराबर. So what is my a now? a is half. So half is equal to 1 by root x. What is b? 1 by 3. So I'll cross multiply. तो क्या मिलेगा, root x equals 2. So I'll do squaring. तो मेरा x आएगा 4. ठीक है, here again क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मेरा रूट y कितना आएगा 3. देखो मेरा y कितना आएगा, स्क्वायरिंग किया तो 9. सो माय x इज 4, y इज 9. ठीक है, the next sum children, it is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equals to same equation second. So what is repeating, you can see here, what is repeating, 1 upon x minus 1 is repeating, that is your a. Next what is repeating, 1 upon y minus 2, that becomes your b. If I substitute like this, my first equation क्या हो जाएगा, 5a plus b equals 2, correct. ये हो जाएगा 6a minus 3b equals 1, correct. Now solve this sum by cross multiplication just for revision. So remember, I need to take this 2 on left side before solving. So ये क्या हो जाएगा, minus 2 equal to 0. ये क्या हो जाएगा, minus 1 equal to 0. क्या लिखेंगे, पहले 1, b की वैल्यू लिखेंगे, फिर c की वैल्यू, फिर a की वैल्यू, फिर से b की वैल्यू, बराबर. तो क्या आएगा, a upon something, b upon something, 1 upon something. a upon के लिए क्या आएगा, -1, ये कितना आएगा, -6, -1 -6, ये कितना आएगा, -12 प्लस 5, ये आएगा -12 प्लस 5, ये हो जाएगा -15 -6. Now I'll equate them. So I'll get a upon -7, 1 upon -21. So क्या मिलेगा, a आएगा 1 upon 3, b भी आएगा 1 upon 3. But I want to find x and y. So a कितना है, 1 upon x minus 1. Therefore 1 upon x minus 1 equals 1 upon 3. Therefore x minus 1 कितना आएगा, 3. Therefore x आ गया मेरा 4. ठीक है, ये क्या है, 1 upon y minus 2 equals 1 upon 3. Therefore y minus 2 equals 3. So मेरा y आ गया 5. ठीक है, let's move on to next sum. Now some work you have to do. I have xy over here. Because of this xy ये लीनियर नहीं है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, पूरे इक्वेशन को I'll divide by xy. So what will I get, 6x upon xy, 3y upon xy equals 6xy upon xy. So cut y cut, x cut, that is 3 upon x, 6 upon y equals 6. ये हो गया फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आपका. लाइक द फर्स्ट सम, रिमेंबर सेकेंड को भी xy से डिवाइड करेंगे, क्या आएगा, 2x upon xy 4y upon xy, 5xy upon xy. Cut. So I'm getting 2 upon, sorry, I'll write x first. 4 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 5. ये दो इक्वेशन मिला है. Again, repeat like first sum. Put 1 upon x as a, 1 upon y as b, and then you can solve. If you want, you can directly also solve. I'll just show you how you can do that. यहाँ से 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे सबको, तो क्या मिलेगा? 1 upon x plus 2 upon y equals 3. Sorry, 2. What is second equation? 4 upon x plus 2 upon y equals 5. So see, variables coefficients are same, so I'll subtract. ऐसा भी आप कर सकते हो. This will cut. यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा? 1 upon x minus 4 upon x. 2 minus 5 कितना हुआ? minus 3. Denominator are same, so 1 minus 4 कितना हो गया? minus 3 upon x to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. So x becomes 1. So once I get x, I'll substitute in this equation, that is 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 6. तो क्या मिलेगा? Therefore 6 upon y, 6 minus 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 3. So my y becomes 2. ऐसा भी आप कर सकते हो अगर सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं करना है तो. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. Okay children, now next sum. Here what will I do? I'll say let 1 upon x plus y be a and 1 upon x minus y be b. Correct? So what is the first equation? 10a plus 2b equals 4. What is second? 15a minus 5b equals minus 2. ठीक है? So what I can do? I can divide the first equation by 2. I can divide the second equation by, no, I cannot divide the second equation. Now again it's up to you how you solve these two equations to get the values of a and b. Okay? So I'm now using substitution method just for revision purpose. So what will I do? That is first equation I'll divide by 2 first. तो क्या आएगा? 5a plus b is equal to 2. Therefore मेरा b कितना आएगा? 2 minus 5a. Correct? I'll substitute this value in this equation. Let's see what we get. 15a minus 5 times b. b कितना है? 2 minus 5a equals minus 2. So 15a minus 10, 25a minus 2. 15a plus 25 कितना हो जाएगा? 40a is equal to minus 2 plus 10 कितना? 8. Therefore a कितना आएगा? 1 by 5. Now I've got a value. So what is my value of b? So b कितना आएगा? 2 minus 5 times a, है ना? So 5 cut. Therefore b आएगा 2 minus 1. Don't forget this one. So b आया मेरा 1. ठीक है? So I got the value of a, I got the value of b. So a कितना है? 1 upon x plus y. और a कितना है? 1 upon 5. तो यहां से x plus y कितना मिला? 5. Then b कितना है? 1. So I'll get 1 upon x minus y equals 1. Therefore x minus y कितना आएगा? 1. Again I got two linear equations. Now so I need to solve them again like previous one. X plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1. हम क्या करेंगे? इसको ऐड करेंगे. So 2x equals 6. Therefore x कितना आया मेरा? 3. Now I'll put x in any one of the equation. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore my y becomes 2. ठीक है?